It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you.
I want to go with you. No. Just stay behind. Let me go and find out what she has done. Stay back, don't.
My prince, I dey beg you. I know say I fuck up. I beg. Pabutu, my prince, I no go do you bad thing. No, na me na your man over. No reason me, I beg. Your boy dey beg, Papa. Papa beg now.
The boy is good. The boy is good. Ezumwe Colombia. Papaya. Baba, I'm sorry to say this, but I think you have to temper justice with mercy. See, make I tell you, you see that girl? I know say here no be my coast too, but may I give you assurance because me, I know say Ashawo no dey ever go strike.
I swear to God, Papa. I swear to God.
Keep quiet. Wait till the one you want to talk like this. You be like saying that Donka Mighty they play for your brain. Wait till they sauce on now. And they beg on your behalf, they hear the yarn of it.
Cynthia, all my life, I've been decent. And I've always wanted my children to be decent like me. Why is it that you've chosen to be the direct opposite of what I've been building you to be? Anyway, now I need you to tell me, how much do you make from this, your prostitution business? Yes, I need to know. Tell me. I'm ready to pay you double of that amount always. It's a promise. Your mother here is my witness.
Papa, stop it. I don't like it. It breaks my heart when you refer to me as a prostitute. I'm not one. I'm a decent person. Please.
How can you prove you are not a prostitute? When you jump from one nightclub to the other, from one bar to the other, eh?
Mama, going to clubs and bars does not make me a prostitute. It does not make anyone a prostitute. I only go there to enjoy myself, to have fun. After what Chike did to me, I refuse to be depressed. So I only go there to have fun. I love to have fun. I love to dance. That's why I broke that idiot's head in the club when he tried to touch me anyhow. So I'm not a prostitute. In fact, all men are useless. I hate men.
Shut up. Not all men are evil.
Anyway, the issue of Chike is bygone. Forget about that one. Now you are grown up. You are matured. You are supposed to be in your husband's house by now. So bring a man. Let us marry you to that man so that you can live a very decent life. Please.
I have heard you, sir.
So, baby, I actually observed something. I don't mean to, make you sad, but it's just an observation. I don't really like, you're dressing fine, no doubt, but I'm just saying if you can slow down on the whole sexy outfit and stuff and go for more decent dressing.
I don't understand. Baby, I've been dressing like this before we met.
I know, I'm not disputing that fact, but you see, I'm a prince, baby, and I wouldn't want my mother to have something negative to talk about you, okay? It looks good, but I just feel we should go for more decent dress. Hmm? So on that note, I will be, first, how much will it cost you to get decent dresses?
Maybe 200,000.
Okay. All right. What's your account number?
004 70 202 91 GTB.
Okay. Okay, I just sent you 500. I believe that can get you decent dresses.
500,000 for me? Oh, baby, thank you!
The boy is good, baby. The boy is good. It's alright.
I'm
It's alright, cool.
Tochi, my lovely son. How are you?
I'm fine, Papa. How is Mama and Cynthia?
Well, Mama is fine. She's doing well. But as for your sister, if you hear that I am dead because of heart attack, just know that it's your sister that killed me. That girl is frustrating me. Hey?
Please overlook her trouble. Don't let her attitude bother you that much. I will speak with her.
Yeah, it's okay. You talk to her. Even though I'm trying my best. So, how is business?
Everything is fine here, Papa. I will send you some money tomorrow so that you will go and clear our land in the village. I want to start building a new house for you and Mama.
Eh? Tochi? Ha! Are you serious?
Yes, Papa. I want you to travel to the village as soon as the money enters your account.
Hey, I will do just that. God will bless you. My God will bless you. Hey! 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 Come here! Come, move.
What is the excitement for this time?
Before I tell you, dance with me first. Come on. Hey!
I'm dancing.
Dance with me, whether you like it or not.
Dancing.
Dancing.
I can't wait to hear this. So
Let's go inside.
Eh.
Let's go inside.
Come and
I
tell
will tell
me.
you the good news.
Let's go. So
Let's go.
You know, tell Tanko.
I be tell him, man.
So what's up now? And I will just be here like this, just the.
Get that girl now!
tell me, how do I look?
Like a pastor's daughter. Don't mind me. Wow, this is nice.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't imagine doing this.
For a guy that gave you $500,000 for upkeep. Babe, if he asks you to jump, ask him how high. You know, go.
Honestly, that's why I can't even say no to him.
My dear, honestly, you're very lucky to have him. You just have to like remove all this whole craze, like everything, just mellow down, win his heart. We can't afford to lose this guy.
I know.
We can't afford to lose this guy.
Okay, that's alright. I have to start going now. He told me that he's on his way home. So, I want to meet him up. See ya. What? You really want to give me this?
Once
I can't even say no.
bad girl.
Yeah.
Bad girl.
I have sweet to cover up for this.
Pastor's daughter. Queen of Lamba. Oh! Oh! See, lick sweet.
Baddest.
See, lick sweet.
I
Yeah.
have my sweet. Just don't worry.
You don't have to lose this guy, oh. Share hearing me. Smoke don't finish, oh. I bet do quick come back and give me my share.
I'm ashamed of you. You claim to be a bad boy, but you're nothing. How can an ordinary girl escape from you twice? The other time was Ololo and Ofaku, and now you. Just a girl, you couldn't hold her.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Now listen, you have to return back to the village because you're useless for me here. Get back to the village.
Oh, baby. Baby, what is it? What's going on here?
Don't worry, this guy. This house now.
Baby, what's going on?
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry about that guy. Don't stress yourself for nothing.
Baby, anger is a bad thing. Whatever it is that is making you angry, please let it go. What if it makes you to hurt yourself? What would you say? Baby, please. Whatever that is bothering you, just let it go. Please. Please, baby.
It's okay. I'm fine.
I don't know what to tell you because each time I want to talk to you, I do mathematics. I will differentiate and integrate before I know the way to talk to you because you don't ever change. Now that I am traveling to the village, I beg you in the name of God, please don't kill my wife for me. Biko.
I've heard you, Papa.
Yeah. If not for one thing, I would have asked you to help me take care of your mother. But you and I know that your night work, you understand now, that work that you do. I know it will not give you time to take care of her.
Honey, it's okay. It's enough. I can take care of myself. Besides, this is not the first time you're traveling, leaving us behind.
Papa,
Yes.
I know there's no how you will live without reminding me how indecent that I am. But Papa, I'm a very decent person, though. I'm a very decent girl. I don't know what you're talking about.
You are the what? Do you know the meaning of decency? This one? Now this one be decent? It's okay. All I know is that don't kill my wife. Enjoy your night's walk, eh?
I'll miss you. Safe trip.
All right. Decency.
Tell your daddy. Tell him safe trip.
Hello, why can't you listen? Leave me alone.
Babe, please, let me talk to
Don't
you.
touch me, babe.
Hey. Please, babe, listen to me, please. Babe, I love you so much. Please, just give me a chance now. Let me prove my love to you.
Why can't you understand this? Why is it so difficult there for you to understand? I don't need a boyfriend now. I need to focus on my study, work on my future. What is wrong with you?
Babe, this is the future right now. This is the future you are working on. Yes.
Working on my future by falling in love with you? Or what? I don't understand. Why is
yes,
please,
now.
Just let me be, okay?
No, it's not like that now. See, I mean so
It's
good
not
for
like
you.
how, Enya. What's going on here?
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. What's up? Putting this up for here now.
Sir, is this guy here? He has been disturbing me. I've warned him countless times to stay away from me, but he couldn't let me be.
Guy, what's up now? The girl say you don't reason you, make you free and say she wants to concentrate on her future. So why can't they bother her life now? What is up?
Bros, I like this girl. I love this girl, die.
Oh, mama.
I'm just asking her to be my friend. It's not for the other one. The other one is not in my agenda. Just to be my friend.
Thank you, Utem. You love the girl just like that.
Yes.
Oh. Nothing. Even if she give you no good chance.
Hey, I no go disturb her.
Oh yeah, run back home, eh? Same area.
Hey.
You just want. So listen, eh? You get luck. Say a day in a very good mood. You see this girl? If she from here they come, eh? Make it from there they go. If she from there they come, make it from here. Anywhere I see you around this girl, I will show you people. They mad.
I'll do so.
They tell you say you know what, they disturb her. After now you go rape her. Carry this your smelling cap. Come.
Hey!
This is very You say, one day pursue this guy. Just say you say if you know feel run, nothing.
My king guy, I'm always awesome. I don't see the guy now. Hey,
Who was always a million?
you
Yeah, they are here. You know feel run. One day the boy is good now.
all the time.
Life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good. Life is better. When you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good. Life is better. When you give back love to the ones that care about you.
Angela.
Oh, yeah.
Guy. Seriously, this Angela girl she has really eaten deep inside of me. I'm beginning to love her so much. Seriously.
Come on, what are you waiting for? I mean, she's pretty and respectful.
Well, not only being pretty and respectful, she's also from a responsible home.
Anyway, I just hope she's telling you the truth. You know, girls of nowadays, they have lies, living on the leaves.
Not Angela. Guy, no, you don't know this girl. Look, this girl, as I heard, is from a responsible, reputable home. You know, that kind of Christian home where you have to pray every morning before stepping out and pray every night before sleep. You know, those kind of family homes. So she's obviously not that kind of person. As it stands now, I'm thinking seriously, marital-wise, it's about time.
Then what are we saying? I wish you guys luck. But I insist, try and know more about her before making any moves on marriage.
There's nothing to know. I mean, I know visually everything I really want to know from her. So, guy, own that thing. I'm not a kid, right?
Bro.
I saw this car. I heard the engine. It's like they're from the palace. The palace. Ah! Oh my goodness!
Who is this? It is him.
See?
Destus Onya, the great defender.
The striker! Off a bike! Hey! Your Royal Your Royal Majesty.
Please cut out all that. Come. It is good to see you. Can you imagine? Modestus Onya, the defender.
Hey!
How are you? How's your family?
We are fine. Great. Fine. I've been in the city. Hey!
You know, I was just going and I thought, is this not Modestus? I asked my driver to come back.
How your eyes? How did you recognize me?
How won't I recognize
you? Because
I don't defend our legs.
I heard the sound of the car. As you came back, I said, who is this? Oh,
what's going on?
I want to develop this land. So where are you? I brought him so that he can start doing the preparations.
Oh, that's a good thing. Great sense, Your Majesty.
Hi. So how is the family?
Very well.
How is Lolo?
Well, it's fine.
I will come to the palace.
Yes, please. I'm going to a meeting now, so I won't have so much time to talk. But come to the palace.
But you have to bless me first.
All right.
It's good to see you.
Hey! So, Chief.
I'm coming. I'm with my friend. Hey! This is my long-time friend. Friend that was playing the first, he was a striker. We call him off a bike. Anyway, so back where we go.
You said the pillar, the first pillar.
Yes, the first pillar. So it's not the foundation. What I mean is, but they are defecating on this land.
And that's how it's supposed to be, you know, village.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Village people.
So I want it to be right, so that I'll have some space here for offices.
Okay. Then the visitors apartment will be somewhere around here. But I want you to be very close to you.
off a bike. The indefatigable striker.
Is there any other defender like you? Wow.
The man who does not miss. Sorry. Your Royal Majesty.
Oh yeah, the ace defender. Quit all that. How time flies.
Off a bike. This is one of the happiest days of my life. I've been looking forward to this day. Hey!
How time flies, my dear.
Oh yes.
The ace defender.
Hey.
Oh yeah. This is interesting.
Look, if I tell you how much I've been praying for this day, honestly, I came to the village, I asked after you. They told me you traveled abroad. I was thinking about you. I told my wife, I said, this is my friend I missed very long time ago.
That's true. I actually went for the graduation of one of my sons. Yes. But wait a minute. How come after our football playing days, you have not surfaced in the village at all? Oh, you're even a chief.
I'm not a chief. This is just for fancy.
So what happened?
Well, I actually miss the village. Yes, I do. But I'm still bitter. You remember the way my father died? They threw my mother away. They threw her out of the house built by my own father. My sister and I, my late sister Ngozi, the way they treated us, they took all our father's properties. I was so mad that I vowed that I will not come to the village again. Oh yes, but well, there comes a time in a man's life when he has to throw the past behind and face the future. So moreover, home is home anytime, you know. So I have to come back.
I actually remember how it all happened. Yeah. And it was not the best because I witnessed how your family went through difficult times during that period. Anyway, the important thing now is that you have put all that in the past and decided to forge ahead. I'm glad you're home now. Okay, so how's your family? I mean, your wife and kids?
Well, everything is going on well. We are not doing too bad, but life has not been a bed of roses, you know. But we are managing. So, what of your children, the royal household?
I actually have 2 boys. Yes, one of them is abroad and the other one is here with us in the country.
Good. Well, God has blessed me too. I have 2 kids. The boy is presently based abroad and the girl lives with us in the city. So, God is faithful.
Well, let's not be too excited. I mean, I forget that we should share a drink. So let's go somewhere for it.
Of course. Offer by. Sorry, Your Majesty.
Inside, your life aside, the loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for you to talk about it all the time. You don't do waka, you don't inform, you don't misbehave all of the time. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, but you be balling like say you no give a damn. Hey, but your stubbornness got into you, now you never less. Now you done the careless, now you done the from breast. Waiting man go do, for your case I know if you know, but you ballin' all the screw, and these people know if you know what you gon' do to you. Now you done the shame on you, ain't nobody talk to you, you beat them up and screw you too.
Baby, you need to rest. Hmm? Besides, why are you washing with your hands? There's washing machine inside.
I know. I've washed the jeans and the ones that I needed with the washing machine. But these ones are just easy. I can just do it. Don't worry, I'll also finish up.
Have you eaten?
Not yet. I'm not hungry.
No, you have to eat, babes. I don't want you having ulcer. You have to eat something. At least rest. The clothes are still here. They're not running away.
Okay. Okay. I'll eat when I'm there.
Or do you want something else to eat?
Like like this one? Don't worry. I'll eat later. All this, it's mine. And mine forever. Right?
No one is dragging it with you. We're waiting for you inside.
Okay. Alright.
See you.
To stay here and wait for you till now. Just look at the time you're coming back.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I couldn't even finish up with the work I was doing. I'm sorry.
Wait. This one you are still dressed like maybe you're going to the office. Don't tell me you're no longer going with me.
Babe. I'm sorry. I don't think I can go with you. See, all my bones are broken. I can't even straighten my hands again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, you couldn't even call me. Like ordinary call. You can't even call. At least let me get going now. Why keeping me here? I don't understand.
Babe, take it easy now. Why are you being harsh?
This is not being harsh for crying out loud.
I said I'm sorry. Why are you being so harsh? I'm sorry, please.
You know what? Sorry for yourself. Just package where they form fake love. You understand, ba? Package where form fake love. Sorry for yourself. Don't worry. Shebi don't chop belefu ba. Now they cause all these ones now. Don't worry, no level. I go run now. Flex o.
I mean, take it easy. Not be government work.
No, na private work we dey do. Nonsense.
This girl message they could get some kind ways which they write messages where they bust my brain. I tell you. The girl is very hardworking.
No. Why you open at the hardworking? Let's grab her now.
What's it be hard? No be only hardworking, sir. The girl romantic die. The girl they respectful. As in, what you want to talk? If not sweet, you know now. You know now. People going to go.
On a 1 million.
They come on, be alright.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to say this one. My prince, don't delay. No time to waste time. Makandem bajaka.
Ndembaji. Ta one now what for you? On your tiaka tajie aka now. It's your issue now.
No,
now what for you? The boy is good.
All
now.
the time, my prince.
Now what for you?
My prince.
I just tell you how they be based on say more. I get Tinyaro very soon.
Tinyaro is one. Hey. Sorry.
Behave now. Compone now.
I'm sorry.
Compone now.
I'm sorry, sir.
You go get ready now. Can I one now?
Okay, sir. My bag got in a boot already.
Now, no time.
Man, I can top good one.
Nah, me, I say I don't want to talk today. I just want to.
Mazonia, the king wants to see you.
Okay.
Off a bike.
Great defender of the universe.
Off a bike.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I greet you, my queen. I greet you.
Is she your daughter?
Yes, Your Majesty the Queen. She's my daughter.
She. I thought he's a boy.
No, my king. I'm not a boy. I'm a beautiful girl. Cynthia Onya.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I mean, you are dressed like a boy, so I just thought you were a boy. You know, your face cap at the back and the sneaker.
My husband and I have tried everything we could to change her, but she strictly chose to dress this way. But funny enough, she wasn't like this.
Why would you want to change her? You don't know how much I love to see her dressed like this.
My queen, are you serious? Ah! May the gods bless you. You will live long. Ah!
Why won't my wife know?
Finally,
Tell me.
I see somebody that likes me for who I am.
How won't you like her? Defender, how will she not like her? Remember the first time I met her? She was always dressed like this.
Exactly.
Yeah? That's why she likes her. I'm sure that if she wasn't a queen now, she would have still been dressing like this.
As a matter of fact, I miss dressing this way.
Please, don't dress like this because you will be here in the manners. That's my son.
You're welcome.
The boy is good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is this harlot doing here? What are you doing in my father's house?
Warn him. Calm down. What? Don't tell me to calm. Warn him. I'll bust your head. I'm just resetting the king and the queen. I'll bust my head here.
What is this? Do you know her? This harlot broke my head at the nightclub.
It is your mother that is a harlot. I'm sorry, my queen, but your son is a criminal.
Hey!
Papa, he's the one that kidnapped me with his voice. Yes, this big fool here. Try it! Try it! Just try it! Try it!
Finally ran into my traps. There is no running out for you. I will kill you! I will kill you!
You will not do anything! You're just an empty vessel. Big fool, that's what you are. You cannot try anything. I used to run because there was space for me to run. Here that there is no space, we die here.
Hey!
Enough, Cynthia! Enough! No, don't tell me that. Are you alright? It is not enough. Don't you know where you are? Allow me to deal with it. I said enough! What is it?
Father, for no reason, I don't want to see that girl or anyone related to her close to this palace.
Son, you do not have any right to place such orders in this palace. That girl's father, Modestus Onya, was my childhood friend. We played together in all school competitions, representing our great school. You cannot ask him not to come to this palace again. It can never be possible. And let me let you know, this palace belongs to the people. Even as king, you do not have the right to stop them from coming to this place just because you do not like them.
That girl is a prostitute and should not be seen anywhere close to this palace.
My friend, just shut up. Stop ranting. You call yourself Ntiwa, yet a common girl Tiwagisi. Shame on you.
Is that all you have to say?
Okay then, if I see that girl anywhere, I am going to break her legs. I promise you that.
I forbid you from doing that. Anyway, enough of all that. Why did you come home suddenly?
Well, I've come to tell you people that I finally found a girl I want to marry.
Huh? Really? Good.
Where is she from?
She's from the West.
Mm-hmm. What happened to all the girls from this land? Anna, are you forgetting that you're the crown prince of this kingdom? Is it the girl from the West that will become the queen of this kingdom? Huh?
Well, I don't like any of the girls from this village. I have found love, and she's the one I'm going to marry. That is final.
It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no.
Can you explain to me the meaning of that show of shame that you put up at the palace earlier today?
Papa, I don't know what else you want me to say. I don't know. Eh? That stupid idiot thinks because he's a prince, he has every right to harass every gay he comes across with. Well, he got what he deserved.
So you are proud to say that you broke a man's head? Eh? Not just an ordinary man. The crowned prince of Okpoto Kingdom.
Papa, what is this? Crown prince this, crown prince that. So what? And so? Didn't I tell you what he did to me? He was touching me anyhow. I had to break his head. He's even lucky I only broke his head. I would have used that bottle to pieces his body.
Just shut up! I did that bottle to take it ready. Didn't you hear what I said? I said that man is the crown prince of our land.
Cynthia, why are you hell-bent on creating problems for us? Imagine your very first time of coming to the village and you have to fight the crown prince right inside the palace before the king and the queen. Oh my goodness. What kind of a child are you?
Good question. Very good question. What kind of a child did you bring up like this? Yes. Look at the kind of shame that she has brought to her family. She's dragging the name of her family to the mud.
What kind of talk is that?
You're asking me what kind of talk is that?
Mama, I don't have time for this, please. I'm very hungry. Come and give me food.
You see what I mean? Imagine your daughter commanding you to come and give her food. You see? You see how you have spoiled her?
Oh, you are not blaming me. I am now the person that will carry the blame.
Who should I blame?
That child we gave birth to her. When a child is bad, the mother will carry the blame. When she is good, she is the father's favorite.
Who is in charge of domestic chores? Are you not the head of domestic affairs?
You are involved. You are her father.
But you've been the one feeding her.
Oh, you are the one bringing the money.
Just shut up!
I'm tired of this. I can't stay here and hear this.
Look at you. You spoiled my relationship and you have mouth to talk here. Idiot.
How are your parents?
They are fine, my queen.
Remember everything I told you. Thank you. That's my girl.
Mother. Didn't I tell you that I don't want to see this devil in this house?
My queen, warn him. I will not have this Okoibo call me names. Don't try it. Don't even try it.
How dare you talk to me like that? I have been keeping quiet. Are you mad? Are you mad in this fool? How dare you talk to me like that? What is it? What happened to her?
Hannah just gave her a punch on her eye.
Hannah. Guards.
I'm going blind. Oh, I'm going blind. Oh. Huh?
Now listen to me, Hannah. Under no circumstance will you get a justification for busting that girl's eye. You have done this before and you've gotten away with it. This time around, I'm not going to allow you to get away with this.
What in heaven's name were you thinking? Why would you hit a woman? Okay. Now that she has lost an eye, what do you want us to do about it?
I don't know. Maybe advise her to go back to her parents' house, or better still, back to the hotel to continue her prostitution.
You must be mad. Something must be wrong with you. How can you hit a girl like that and then allow her to her own fate? What's wrong with you? Who do you expect to marry her with one eye?
How is that my business, Father? She can suit herself.
You are not serious. If your father was not friends with her father, you would have been in jail by now. Well, there are no two ways about it. We will marry her for you.
What?
Yes.
Is that a joke or something? Can you listen to yourself, mother? Me, Ntiwo Biago, the boy is good. To marry a girl with one eye?
Oh, shut up. The boy is good. If you knew you did not want to marry someone with one eye, then you should have avoided her when she talked back at you. Now you have hit her, you have blinded her. Now, that's not how to treat a woman. Real men don't beat women. You just show that you are not a real man. Get ready to marry her.
I see y'all must be joking, for real. I'm going back to base.
Base?
Yes.
Even if your base is at Bermuda Triangle, you will see Cynthia there.
Kindly advise that girl. If I see her 1 inch close to my doorstep, she will not only lose an eye, she will lose her life.
I pray it works out well. I wouldn't want Prince Hannah to kill my daughter.
No, it's not possible.
That is true. Everything will be taken care of. I don't want you to worry yourself. Nothing will happen to her.
I am quite conversant with the fact that intelligence permeates all of your being, not just as a striker. You know what I'm talking about. So if you give your consent to this, I think I'm game.
Well, thank you very much, Anya. Once again, as an ace defender, you have defended me.
Off a bike!
It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no,
Baby.
life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience.
Why are you here thinking? I've been waiting for you in the room.
Nothing really. I've got loads of things on my mind, but nothing serious, just normal thoughts.
Are you sure, or you don't want to tell me? Okay. Baby, did you get the text message I sent to you?
Concerning your house rent?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
My landlord is on my neck.
Oh, why didn't you tell me before now? Has it gotten to that extent?
I'm sorry. I thought I could handle things myself.
It's okay. I'll forward to that same account then.
Huh? Baby, are you serious? You will send the money to me?
Why not?
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much,
It's okay.
baby.
The boy is good.
All the time. I'll be waiting for you in the room. You know, this night is going to be juicy.
Alright, I'm coming.
Alright, baby. Babe, that guy is really interested in me. Can you believe that just yesterday I lied to him that my landlord threatened to throw me out of the house? Hey, do you know what the guy did? He wired me 300k. 300 by.
300 by.
I don't carry water for mouth now.
Hey, guy, see, with the way this man is spending on you, I'm pretty sure he's going to put a ring on your finger very soon. Just get ready. You know go?
When we get to that bridge, we will definitely cross it. But for now, I'm not talking about marriage. Marriage should wait. I need money, more money in my account before I go even reason that side.
That reminds me. Alaji say you've not been picking his course. What happened now?
That Mugu. That doesn't want to spend money,
Yes,
but he
that
wants to eat good food.
That one.
Alhaji no say better foundation and cement he chop.
He doesn't know. Babe, Afana.
For
make a run. You know, say I need money.
Run waiting.
Alaji level now.
Oh, okay, Alaji.
Yeah.
You're free. You can have him. You know, say only a show free you they do, so you can have him.
Wait. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Nugia now. Okay, now because say you don't catch maga now, your eye don't do shook back. See, mind yourself.
Babe.
Mind yourself.
No. Correct yourself. My prince, my darling prince, my succulent prince, my sweet charming prince is not my maga. Yes, he is just my ATM machine.
Our prince.
My prince.
Our prince.
Yes. So
after 50k supposed reach me now.
For
the 300k life something now.
50 what? 50 naira.
I beg you.
Boy is good. The boy is good. My prince. I know I'm not supposed to say this, but I just have to let it out of my chest. I think you need to cut down on how you spend for that girl. I'm serious about it. Yes.
Spend for which girl? My girlfriend?
Yes, my prince.
Why? No, why do you think I need to cut down on the girl I will marry very soon? What's the point of being stingy? No, who am I supposed to spend the money with?
My prince, I never said you were stingy.
So what are you saying?
Okay, listen. I made some inquiries about her.
See, please, this is not the reason I called you here, alright? So just stop saying bullshit now. I've got more things on my head than this nonsense you're saying.
It's okay. The boy is good. Come on, chill. That reminds me. You said you were going to tell me something that happened in the village.
Exactly. That's what has been bothering me. Well, I saw that girl, that stupid girl that broke my head the other time.
Eh? Never. Where? Where did you see her?
Guess where I saw her?
Where?
Palace. My palace.
Hey! Look at the number. Look at the I told you that we are going to catch her.
Guy, take a chill pill, please. Don't be up in the hill. Just listen up. I saw that girl. She came to the palace with her parents. Okay? Her parents and my father, the king, were childhood friends. Now, the main issue now is, you know how she behaves. So when I saw her, I confronted her, like, what are you doing here, you know, and stuff like that. So we had that scuffle, and before you knew it, I punched her eye, and...
Very good. Oh, Gigi now.
She lost her eye. Like, right now, one eye is blind. So now, my parents and her parents are insisting that I am going to marry her.
For what? For what? Someone that broke her head and you got her blind. It's Gigi now. Ekunaga no marry. No. I'm not happy about that one. For what?
That is crazy. I don't just know how that devil of a girl came into my life. Eh?
No, I'm not in support of that one. I'm not in support of that one.
So, tell me, where are we going today?
Sure. Chipu coins go bondo.
What's that? What's the meaning?
Si chipu kene coins go kene bondo.
Baby, what's the meaning?
But I always call you that.
I don't know the meaning.
Okay. It means throw the coins away. So we'll go for bondo. You get it? This is bondo. Real bondo. Okpa. It's plenty. My baby.
Baby, I love you.
What are you doing here? Mom, what's the meaning of this?
Baby, who are these people?
Oh, my dear, I am his mother, and this is his wife.
Baby, tell me this is not true.
Of course it's not true. She's my mother. But that harlot is not my wife. Leave this house now. I'm warning you for the last time. Leave my house.
Oh, okay.
Mom, why are you bent on frustrating me? What's the meaning of this? Is it a crime to be your son?
Oh, okay. I have to leave now. I hope this is not what it looks like.
Of course, I'm telling you the truth. I do not know this harlot.
My dear, it is what it looks like. So get out before I descend on you.
You will regret. Baby. Baby, please.
What's
this? Baby, please. You know I love you. Please don't listen to my mother, please.
Why don't you go and settle with your mother and then come back to me?
My love.
Leave me alone.
Sit like a girl.
Okay.
Can he at least drop you off? Let him drop you off, baby. Why did you let them in?
She threatened to have me.
Threatened to do what?
Her parents are coming from the village if we don't let her in. And she even slapped me.
And I'll slap you again, fool.
I'm thirsty. Can I drink juice?
No, hold on. This is your house. You will drink whatever you want to drink later.
I'm thirsty. I want to start with
Jidena Belegi, hold on. Okay. Just hold on. You drink. It's your house.
Okay.
Mother, if you know what is good, that's if you don't want me to do something both of us will regret for the rest of our lives. Tell this girl to leave my house now.
Anna, for your own good, take care of your wife. Your problem is that you have caused more problems than you can even imagine yourself.
What gibberish are you saying, Mother? How can you bring such obnoxious girl for me to marry?
Obno?
Anna, if she was your sister and another man did this to her, what would you have done to the man?
God forbid. This harlot here can never ever be my sister. Let me ask you, mother, why do you stand for her more than you do for me? I'm your son, yet you protect her interests more than you protect mine. Yes. Why?
Yes, because I want you to be responsible. I want you to behave above your shallow dreams.
My queen, you don't need to stress yourself. We are stressed already.
Yes.
We came from a very far place.
You're right.
So, relax. Sleep. You need to go and take care of yourself and rest. Don't worry. I'll handle my dear husband here.
You are mad. You must be very, very mad. It's obvious you're here for a suicide mission, right? Right?
I am tired. I want to go and rest. I have a long journey ahead of me tomorrow. Yes. Take care of your wife. Hmm?
It's obvious you want him to commit murder, right? If you don't want to lose your life, just as you lost your eye, leave my house now.
My queen, you know you are here. You are here. I'm respecting you. He doesn't know me very well. I'm just giving you respect.
I will kill this girl, though.
Even in my presence.
Can you just tell her to leave my house, say even in your presence?
Mr.
Why would you bring her here?
Mr. Man, come and show me my room. Finish. Come and show me my room. I'm respecting the queen. I don't want us to show me my room.
Don't
my
worry.
queen.
I know my room.
Okay.
You lie. You're not going anywhere. Tell this girl to leave my house now.
Angie.
Babe, what is it? Eh? Talk to me. What is it?
I'm just trying to set my heart ablaze.
Set your heart ablaze. Babe, give me the blunt. Before you burn me, burn the house, join you. What is it? Eh? What is it?
This life no balance at all.
Life rugged, no be lie. Just talk to me. What is it?
My prince, why demons?
I'm in a deep mess.
Is it about Angela?
She left.
Wow. So did you find out?
Find out about what?
The boy is good. When you told us that you want to get married to that girl, Tagbo suggested that we make some inquiries about her.
And?
We find out that she's a sex worker. An ashawo. She just pretended with you.
How much did my mother pay you guys to make me turn my heart against her?
My prince, I've known you like forever, and I can never go against you.
Leave my sight.
For any price. Okay, just have your back, bro.
Leave my stupid damn sight. You're stupid.
You are the man of this house, no doubt. But I am here now. So, stop smoking inside. If you want to smoke, go outside and smoke. What is it? Stop smoking.
Are you mad?
I am not mad. No, they push me like that though. What is it? I say stop smoking. Stop smoking in this house. Go outside and smoke.
See, okay?
I go shave your baby. I don't tell you. No, they smoke inside. They smoke outside. Don't push me again. I go shave your baby.
This girl is pushing me to commit murder. She's pushing me so hard to commit murder.
Good day.
Angela, tell me the truth. What do you do for a living?
What kind of question is this? Oh, I see. Is this your little strategy to take me out of the way? So that you can go be with your wife?
That is not my question. Can you be truthful to me? I have been very sincere to you from day one. So I expect you to do the same. What do you do for a living?
What are you talking about? I've told you that I'm a student. What else do you want me to say? Oh, I see. You are just looking for issues between us so that we can go our separate ways. In order for you to go be with that woman they arranged for you.
What the heck are you talking about? Which woman?
The girl.
So what's up with the girl? Like my mind is right there, right? Angela, come on. What I expect from you is telling me the truth, no matter what. I will always understand. That's what I expect from you, not... Hey, Angela, come on, baby. You don't have to be like that. I only want you to tell me the truth, no matter what. I don't like when someone comes to say crap about you. It doesn't make me feel fine. Hey. Okay. Let's go inside and talk about it. I just want you to be truthful to me, that's all. I don't like the fact that I keep hearing negative things about you all the time. Okay, I just want you to be sincere.
Come on, this thing for your eye. What is it? Look me eyeball to eyeball. Look at me when I talk to you. For 4 days now, you've not given me money for food. I be like earthworm. Now sound at the chop. Give me money to buy food, please.
Did I bring you into this house? Go and meet who brought you in here. Go and meet my mother. When you're hungry, meet her. You are more like a tenant, like a flatmate here. I don't have any business with you. Don't you dare try what you just did now next time. Don't you dare try it.
I should not try it again. I should... What? Give me money to buy food. You want it? Listen, those your useless boys know they here. Now, between both of us now, I go do you many things. I go run enter you. No try them.
If I punch your eye.
You not go do anything.
If I punch your eye,
I am your
you
wife.
won't see again in your...
I am your wife! I go back you! I go back you!
I will beat you! I'll kill you! Okay.
Yes! Go!
I will kill you!
I tell you so that me and you.
Okay.
I tell you that me and you.
I go black your eye.
You think that? This is not what
I will kill you!
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
I will kill you!
You will do anything! I will break your head! I'll break it!
Okay, you bite me.
Yes.
Okay.
That's you.
You're tired now, right? Huh?
I'm not tired. And I'll never be tired. I am ready to do this over and over and over again until you learn to respect and give me my entitlement in this house as your wife.
You can never be my wife. So the best thing for you is to leave my life before I kill you. I will kill you.
Fine. Fine. Restore my sight. Restore me to factory fitting. Then I will live your life. If not, we die here.
Okay. Let me just regain strength. I'll come back for you.
I'm ready for you. This is just the beginning. You will not only give me money for food, you also give me money for my cream, money for drinks, because you and your useless boys have finished all the business.
Why have you chosen to punish me with this girl?
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? Every time fighting. Can you imagine this girl blocks my way and had the guts to pour me water? You're asking me what is it?
Anna. She told me that you do not give her money for food. That you don't even sleep in the same room with her. Do you expect her to be happy? Come on, son. Give her food. Do the needful. And you will have so much peace. Have a wonderful married life. Bye.
What's my business with her? Were you not the one? Hello? Hello? Okay, she hung. All right.
How much is that?
You must be very stupid for asking me such question. You wanted money for food, right? That is money for food. Leave my way.
Me stupid. I can see you're not tired of fighting. Good. Because me, fighting is my hobby. I am ready to fight and fight and fight till eternity. If you know what is good for you, drop 100,000 naira on that table. For foodstuff, soap, cream and drinks. If not, there will not be peace for both of us in this house.
You're feeling all too strong, right? Strong girl, right?
I know you are the man. I equally know that you are strong. But one thing you have to know about me is that I am not afraid of anything and anybody, including you. So it's either you play along with me or we die here.
I will destroy you. I will kill you. I will kill you.
I am ready for
I will kill you.
I am ready for your destruction. What else have you not done to me? Eh? Look at my eyes. Which man will marry me with one eye? I'm not having two eyes. So what have you not done to me? Destroy me. I'm ready for that destruction. Destroy me. But you're not going anywhere. 100,000 naira or nothing.
You see, the only reason I will think of giving you that money, it's not because of this rubbish. It's not because of these stupid things you're doing. Because if it's because I will just kill you. I'm only giving you this money because I don't want to commit murder. Because it's obvious you're here for suicide mission.
Mom, that's what I'm here for. $100,000 or I'll go. If you drop 98,000, I'll not go agree. Hope it's complete though. Come on. They do this thing where they do. You say if you real man, why you can't make and complete 100,000? You forgive me 90. Come out too. I just say if you man, why you drop the 100,000? What I tell you? Igbo rabbit.
Is this how irresponsible you can be? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You sheepishly brought yourself to a man, forcing him to marry you. Is this how your father married your mother?
You know, I actually didn't know that you will shamelessly bring your ugly body to this house. I thought you would run away after seeing me the other time. But no, you are shameless.
Who the hell are you? And what makes you think that I will run away from you? No, tell me, who are you? Listen, leave my man alone. Leave him alone. This is my man's house. Yes!
I laugh in Swahili. Look at you. A common, ordinary, cheap pomosela. Eh? And you had the guards to open your gutter to talk to me. Eh? When you are not mad.
It is your mother that is a pomosela. It is your mother that is mad. Huh? Yes!
Eh? My what?
Your mother.
My what? I believe you don't know me very well. So I will spare you this time. But if you mention my mother's name again, I will design your face. And your market price will drop. I can see that your sense is on your backside. You don't have sense. If you mention my mother's name again,
listen, if you come close to me, I will block off your second eye. Yes!
You block off my second eye?
Yes!
You block off my second eye? 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 I don't blame you. Block off my second eye. Block off my second eye. You block off my second eye. Let me see you. Block. Block off my second eye. Let me see you block off my second eye. Yeah?
No, you're way too happy and relaxed, right?
Yes. I'm happy. Very happy. In fact, I am not happy. Because I would have destroyed her ugly face so that her market price would drop.
I know your problem. You're just jealous. Because she's prettier, smarter, educated and decent.
Edu what? Which school? Which city?
In case you don't know, she is educated. She's a final year law student. What do you have? Nothing. You have absolutely nothing to offer except problems. Listen, let me warn you. This will be the last time you will disrespect my woman in that manner.
Ah!
I will not warn you again.
Eh? Your woman. You call that thing your woman. Listen, let me tell you. This city, I know everywhere, everything, and everybody that matters in this city. So I know that girl very well. She's not what you think she is. Let me shock you. She was a former stripper at Base Nightclub, Bank Road here. It shock you? I don't say it shock you.
Also, you're just a big fool. Muggle, that's what you are.
Oh.
Now tell me, what will it profit you to tarnish your fellow girl's image just because you want her out of this house?
Me? I am just telling you the truth.
Come on, shut up. I'm warning you for the last time. Stop disrespecting my woman.
Ah.
I will punch your eye, you. I will punch your eye. Okay, try that again.
You are the bigger fool. You are the bigger mugu. I don't blame you. Your senses are buried on her backside. Keep collecting. When you don't collect finish, your eye go clear. Can you imagine? That stupid shit girl, my woman, a last student. Where? How?
What is it, Mama? What is it? But I've told you to give me some time. Let me handle this my way.
To leave what alone for you? To leave what alone for you?
Hey, Mama, you came. Welcome.
Hold it. Don't you ever call me Mama. I am not your mother. How many times did I warn you to leave my son alone?
Mama, what is it, Mama?
Hey,
why?
Shut up. Shut up. If you are not man enough, let me tell her. Are you not ashamed? 4 years. 4 good years. Is that not enough for you to know that the man you are with is not interested in marrying you? Well, as you can see, this is Grace. And Grace is the wife to my son, Chike. We have done all the traditional rites. And she's here to stay. So, You better find your level. Grace, let us go inside. Take your things. This is your house. Just feel free. Come, let me show you.
Honey? Honey? Honey, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry. You see, I am truly sorry. I never wanted you to find out this way. I was waiting for the right time to tell you this. Please, please.
So you knew about this?
You see, I wouldn't want you to take it this way, please. Don't take it this way. I am the only son. And the tradition demands I marry from my village. Please.
And you wasted 4 years of my life promising me marriage. 4 years, chicken! Don't touch me!
Don't take it that way, please. See, I truly love you. I love you. And I even...
4 years, chicken! 4 years of my life wasted just like that!
I'm sorry. I tried to...
No, Cynthia. Enough. I will not cry over any man again. Never.
Boss, I know this girl. Are you sure you know her?
Very well.
Okay then, do the job.
Consider it done. There is a reason why they call me Sega, because I silence everything in the streets. The boss. Boss, I will get going.
Did I beg you for breakfast?
Yeah, but I prepared it for you. I know you.
How is that my business? Did I beg? See, let this be the first and last you ever hold me if I'm going out. Are you out of your mind? Did I beg? Come, and what do we call this? No, what's the meaning of this?
You either eat my breakfast or you kill me.
Look, I don't have time for this rubbish. I have an important meeting by 8 and it's almost 8. I need to leave.
Then eat my breakfast.
I don't want to eat your breakfast.
Okay. You're not going anywhere. We die here or you kill me.
Oh, I see. You want me to eat that poison you call breakfast, right? I'm sorry to disappoint you. It will not work.
Don't try me. Eat my breakfast in peace. If you want to go out. No, don't stress yourself. Belt will take time. I came prepared. Take this knife. Slit my throat. Pluck my eyes. Destroy me. Do what? Just kill me. End it. Make it fast. Take it. Kill me. Make it quick so you can leave.
Cynthia, please. I don't want your trouble. I'm going out for an important meeting. Please, I need to leave now. Please.
He said, please. He said, please. So you can say, please. This is the first time you're saying please since I knew you. Nice one. Good. But you still have to eat my breakfast. You seem to have forgotten that I am your wife.
You can never be my wife. You can never, ever be my wife. Leave my way now. What do you want from me? I've eaten your breakfast, so what else do you want from me?
Sweetheart, what God has put together, let no man put asunder. Till death do us part.
You're very stupid. I don't need you in my life. Please open the door, let me leave.
You have to kill me before you leave.
What else do you want from me?
A warm hug. I am your wife. Nadam Obi. Give me a hug. Come on, baby. Give me.
This must be punishment from the ancestors.
Still waiting.
I will let it.
Now I can open the door.
Emotions aside, your life aside. The loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for you to talk about it all the time. You don't waka, you don't inform, you don't misbehave all of the time. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, but you be balling like say you no give a damn. Hey, but your stubbornness got into you, now you never less. Now you done the careless. Now you done the fun breast. Waiting man go do for your case, I know if you know.
Wait. Your phone.
People know if you know what you gonna do to you. Now you done the shame on you. Ain't nobody talk to you.
Learn to dress like a woman.
could he be doing with a gun?
Were you able to dig out anything?
Boss, she is just a sex worker. She's neither going to school nor doing any job. That is what she do for a living.
How sure are you?
You don't need to doubt my work, but I will give you proofs.
Okay then. We will see to that.
Alright, boss. I take my leave.
See my eye dey help you. But that person never enter this place so. So we no go change location.
Abi, enter road now.
You know they ask me because this night there.
Hi babes.
Hey! Thank you my guy.
See my Gbansky
Oh,
baby.
where have you been?
I did, I put ground now. I go job one.
No be na. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Why you use guard me for streets now?
Oh, wait now.
Why you use guard your hair like this?
Why I go use guard you? You know say na anytime we job there, now you dey see me.
See why they call this guy my real guy. Hey, say my man.
As you see me so, mean say job dey grand.
Normal level, how far you
But
be?
this job wey dey be like say na this your friend na he dey
Hey,
job enter
Angie.
I give you now.
This girl don't wear, I swear. Forget my manners, sorry. It's my friend Angela. Meet my real G. My short contact.
Alpha
I'm alright man.
Alpha now.
I'm okay.
I say Alpha now.
I'm cool.
Correct guy.
As I'm talking to you now, the dude can't wait to see someone like you. So if you are game, you are in.
You say waiting.
If you are game, you are in.
I need money, yo. Better money. Correct money. Money where they smell.
You didn't tell her that I don't move with people that don't have money.
She doesn't know, no vex.
Babe,
no vex.
this dude is sinking and swimming in money.
Money.
I'm gamed.
Eh?
I'm gamed.
Bad girl. Bad girl. No dream.
How many percent with this one?
Guy, normal level 60-40.
You mad?
Wait. This guy you're taking me to, I hope he has too much money because I'm too big to receive nonsense peanuts.
Babe, just calm down. You see that guy over there? He's loaded with enough cash that will take you to wherever you want to go.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Let's go.
No! Baby! I'm sorry. Baby, I swear, it's the devil. Baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please, I beg you.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
So you've been deceiving me all this while?
I'm sorry.
This is not the end.
Baby, I'm sorry. Why you?
you know?
Emotions aside, your life aside. The loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for you to talk about it all the time. You don't need waka, you don't inform, you don't misbehave all of the time. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, but you be balling like say you no give a damn. Hey, but your stubbornness got into you, now you never less. Now you done the careless. Now you done the from breast. Waiting man go do for your case, I know if you know, but you balling all the screw, and these people know. Shame on you, ain't nobody talk to you. You pick them up and screw you too.
This boy is a devil. All this is my effort.
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my bedroom? Leave my house!
What kind of stupid question is that? I can see you're high on that cheap thing you're holding on your hands.
It's time to end this. Now, take your miserable life out of my house!
I've been waiting for this. Exactly what I've been waiting for, Hannah. Go on, kill me. I am ready to meet my maker. Go ahead, do it! Go on, do it.
I see you think I'm joking.
Don't be a coward. Pull the trigger, do it. Oh my God. You actually pulled the trigger on me. If I had not removed the bullets from that gun, I would have been a dead person. I would have been dead.
Life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good. Life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good. Life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you. Oh, yeah. It's not about who you are, nor what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better.
I can't continue like this. I need to go home to amend my life.
When you give back love to the ones that care about you.
I'm sorry. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please.
You pulled the trigger on me. What did I do to you? What have I done to you, Hannah? What did I do to deserve death?
I was angry. I was boiling. Angela betrayed me. She has been a prostitute all this while. I felt hurt. You know how much I love her. So I've been trying to recover from that shock, but you don't let me be. Even when I try to talk to you, you talk back. You sound so insultive. That I did what I did out of anger. Please, I'm deeply sorry.
Now I see reasons to live your life. You hate me so much that you want me dead. I'm going back to my parents. I have to go home to my parents.
Please, I'm begging you. Cynthia, please. I know how you feel. I have no reason whatsoever to hate you. Please. I'm sorry for your eyes. I'm sorry, please. Please.
Love is good, life is better. When you give back love to the ones that care about you. Yeah.
Cynthia, please. You don't have to leave me this way. I'm a changed person. Please.
I think I have accomplished my mission here. I have to go.
Sorry, but what mission?
Tell your driver to take me home. Go home, ask the king and the queen. They will tell you everything. Excuse me.
Love is good, life is better. When you give back love to the ones that care about you. Yeah.
My daughter. My beautiful daughter. I didn't know our daughter is as beautiful as this. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. I am sorry for all the things I did. I mean, I don't know how to explain, but I'm
Apology
really,
accepted.
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry.
My daughter, I'm very happy today. In fact, I thank God for keeping me alive to see this day.
The queen is wise.
Yes.
The plan worked.
It did.
Look at her.
Only God bless. Yes, so it did. In fact, only God will bless the queen for me.
What plan? I thought the plan was for him alone. Was I included in the plan?
Yes, it was for the both of you.
You too.
Carefully calculated.
We calculated, we planned it all.
This is unbelievable.
And I can't wait to hear the gist, how it all happened, you know?
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. Papa!
You better
Mama.
do, you better do, my dear. Come.
It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back.
Father. Ahana, welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
Oh, you look good.
Thank you. You too. Okay, so let's go inside. We have a whole lot to talk about.
Sure.
All right.
It's everything.
Love is good, life is better when you give
So,
back
son,
love to
you see why your mother and I always caution you? I have told you that your anger and your way of living will bring you nothing but trouble. Trouble.
You're right, Father. I have realized my mistakes.
I hope so. If not for her quick thinking, you would have been labeled a murderer.
Exactly.
To be honest with you, Mother, that taught me a great lesson. I have truly realized my mistakes.
Oh, thank you, my ancestors, for bringing back my son in whom I am well pleased, the heir apparent to the throne of Opoto ancient kingdom.
The boy is good.
Like always, right?
But Father, there is something I'm yet to understand. She told me that she has completed a mission in my house, and even if I wanted her to stay, that will be difficult. I don't seem to understand that part.
Well, she's right. Everything was planned. More so, there's absolutely no way both of you will be living together without being married.
I don't understand, Mother, but you told me you've paid her dowry.
Oh, well, that was all a fluke. You see, your attitude was beginning to give me sleepless nights. So your mother and I had to put heads together to find out how we would be able to change your attitude for good. And it just took my mind back to when I was younger, because I was stubborn, and I found out that you actually took after me once in the family. When I exhibited such attitude, what my father did was to find me a wife, your mother. And fortunately, she has the same traits with Cynthia. Though she's smarter, she's different because she's my wife too. She helped me shape my attitude and made me the king that I am today.
You see, son, when I saw Cynthia, I knew I had found the antidote to your stubbornness.
Wait. You mean all of that was planned against me?
Yes.
Yes.
Everything was planned. And it might surprise you to know that she is not blind after all.
I don't understand. I could swear I saw her bleeding from her eye.
No. That was not real blood. The more you look, son.
As you see.
Your Highness, I don't think this will work. With the way I see Prince Ahana, he might kill my daughter for me. Cynthia is very stubborn.
Well, let me refer to Anya. You can attest to the fact that I was very stubborn. And you know how my wife changed me?
Hi, how time flies. I can still remember vividly your father's disposition towards you not taking over the throne, except you change your ways. I can still remember.
Well, no. The beautiful part of this whole thing is that it will change both of them. And it might end up in marriage.
Who knows?
Who knows? Lolo, please don't go there. Don't go there at all. I mean, I know I want the best for my daughter, but I wouldn't want her to marry my best friend's son. She does not have the qualities of a future queen. Yes, I must tell you the truth. What I think is, if we really want this to go on, let us find a way of bringing them together. Then after we've achieved our objective, then we find a way of separating them. What do you think?
I agree with you, my husband. Next time, take care of things.
That will not be a problem. Just give us your consent and we'll proceed with the plan.
Well, you have our consent already, so the ball is now in your court.
Honestly, my queen, I cannot afford to spend a second with him in the same house.
I know you do not like him, but please, my daughter, do it for this kingdom. Do it for the king and I. Please.
It's not like I don't want to obey you. How do I live with a man that is not my husband in the same house? I don't think it's safe for me, my queen.
You don't need to worry about that. He will not come for you because he doesn't like you either. Listen, your duty should be to pick fights and quarrels with him. Once your job is done, you can go if you decide to.
Fights and quarrels. Ebiano. That is my area of specialty. Fighting and quarreling is my hobby. I like that part.
That's nice.
But how do I get him to accept me to live with him?
Okay, I will call you before he leaves for the city.
Okay.
When you come, try as much as possible to pick a fight. Serious fight with him. Allow him to give you a punch on your eye. It won't be that painful. Then you scream. Scream as if you have gone blind already. And leave the rest to me. Okay?
As if I've gone blind. So, how do we make it look real? I mean, there should be blood.
Oh yeah, definitely. There will be blood. Blood will flow. But just do your bit and leave the other one to me.
Wait, you mean she was never blind?
Well, enough has been said about this. All you have to know is that we planned it and we're glad you already know that. My prayer is that you will stick to this new good attitude of yours. And then make amends with the people so that you can win back their trust.
Father, Mother, I know y'all are wondering why I pleaded to invite or no. The truth is that I'm deeply sorry for everything. But no, please. I know I have done so many bad things to you. Today I want to take responsibility for my actions. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive me.
Am I dreaming? Is this the same Ahana the Crown Prince?
Of course it's me, you know. I am on my knees. Father, Mother, please, I'm sorry for all the pains that I caused you. I'm sorry, please.
I am very happy to see this day. The last time I had an encounter with you and your boys, I almost lost my life. I'm just very happy. I just pray that you will continue like this. I'm happy. I've forgiven you, my son. The boy is indeed good.
Well, get up, son. Sit down. I'm really proud of you. Onowu says he has forgiven you.
I'm happy my plans worked.
Thank you, Mother.
Oh.
Your Royal Majesty.
Oh, yeah.
I can't afford to call you off a bike now. He would have called it.
You're welcome, son.
Please sit.
Yeah. The striker.
Sit down.
Okay, Father, Mother, I'm sorry for interrupting. Meet the woman after my heart.
Love is good, life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you. Yeah.
She's the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Really? How are you convinced that she is qualified to be called the next queen of this land?
Well convinced, Father. No doubt she has too much strength. She is indeed a very decent girl and full of wisdom. Above all, she is
completed.
Cynthia, you heard all he said. Do you agree to that?
Yes, my king.
In that case, come forward, let me pray for you. Neil, since both of you have agreed to be together as husband and wife, I bless your union. This union will produce male children and female children. The children will grow old enough to look after you, and you will enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happiness shall be with you forever.
Say.